How do you expand the capabilities of your adventure-filled life? Well, we are about to find out. I'm Katie Osborne for TruXedo. Alongside me is Ryan Van Serksum, and we're talking about this Elevate rack system, which I've seen a few of them on trucks in the booth here.
Yeah.
What's that all about?
Yeah, it's a really unique ladder rack system. It allows for functionality of tonneau covers, not just with a TruXedo cover, but several TruXedo covers. That's why you've seen them on several booths here. This particular unit is a telescoping unit, so it can come down to 18 inches like you see here, or on some of the other trucks up to 28 inches. So you can clear the cab if you've got longer cargo, or bring it down if you have smaller cargo.
Okay, so Ryan is from South Dakota. What would you use this for?
Bikes and kayaks are pretty big in South Dakota right now.
I feel like they're big everywhere. That sounds like a whole lot of fun as we're here at SEMA as well. Ryan, how do you envision the tie downs being used?
You can either tie down stuff in your bed. One of the cool things is this mounts to a Tslot Rail. The bottom and top of this is also a Tslot, so you can bring them up here too. So if you've got a kayak or a basket up there, instead of bringing your ratchet strap all the way down, you could just put it up here and tie it down up top. And these also can move back and forth. They don't have to be stuck in this position here. You can just loosen these bolts and bring it really anywhere along the slot here, as well as up the slot here on top or bottom.
Why do other people find these to be extremely helpful with their daily life?
Well, it's real helpful because if you've got stuff you want to keep drier out of the elements, you can put it in your truck bed, cover it with the cover. If you got stuff that can get wet or in the elements, you can put it up top, and it really expands your capacity of what you can haul with your truck.
See, expanding the capabilities of doing what you love. For more details on this, check out truck-hero.com.